What is going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. Today we're gonna be installing the Tanabe. I've heard both, but it's their strut bar on the WRX today. And to pretty much, the reason why I got it was because I pretty much speed all the time. I'm not gonna lie to you, I speed all the time. Because if you have a sports car or a compact sedan, whatever, why not take advantage of it, take the speed and everything. But lately I've been going through the corners, and usually my tires hook really well, but I've noticed a little bit is like the chassis flex. And I was like, if you get a strut bar, it should solve your problems. So I might as well just went and bought a strut bar. And I love the way that the red is on that, because it matches everything else. And especially when I'm gonna get the billet caps for the car and everything. So I love the way that looks, so I had to get it. But the tools you're gonna need for today is, you're gonna need a 14mm. I have it on a 3/8 ratchet. A 12mm on a 1/4" ratchet. A torque wrench, I have a 3/8 one, so you don't have to go that much. It's only like 15 foot-pounds, what you need to get. A 3/8 Allen key and a 17-inch wrench. So let me go ahead and set up the camera and get straight to the install today. All right, so first things first, pretty much, we're gonna have to undo the bolts for the what's it called? Pretty much the coilovers right here and over there. It should just be a 12mm. I have to get a deep socket. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a deep socket because it's for those. But pretty much just I forgot to mention this earlier, but the difference between the two of the passenger and the driver's side is the passenger side has a little bit of writing right here. If I show you the driver's side, where it should be, there's not. So that's pretty much the only difference between the two, and you can kind of tell when you get them on and everything. But that's the difference between the two. So let me go ahead and grab a deep socket and just time lapse me getting these bolts off. Alright, so after with those, since you're already here, just go ahead and do the driver's side. What I want to do is put this on top. Like so. And then put the bolts back in. Alright, y'all, so actually, my fault. My phone actually overheated and I didn't know. But what I already did was, I already installed both the strut tar brackets and both sides, and I'm good thing I checked before I told it down. I was like, oh, one of you are still recording. Yeah, what's it called? It overheated and I stopped. But I finished both sides, and I have to show y'all how to torque wrench it down. So yep, here's a torque wrench right here. For y'all who don't know how to use a torque wrench, all you gotta do is loosen down the bottom and pick it up to about, since I'm doing 15, whenever that 0 hits that line, I can't even see that. Sorry about that. It's kind of small anyway, so yeah, when that 0 hits that line, it means you're at 15. Once you hit that, all you do is tighten it back up, and then you're good to go. And then whenever you use it, whenever it clicks, it means it's in torque. I don't know why the camera's not. So let's say for this right here, for instance, all you gotta do that and tighten it. Click, I guess. And yeah, let's go ahead and just repeat for the rest of the bolts. Actually, to be honest, now I'm thinking about it, I don't even think I can reach. I can reach the one back here. Let's go ahead and see if I can do that. Let's see. I could barely even reach this. It's like not even like, let's say for this one, for instance. Yeah, that's a no. So if that's the case, then I'm gonna go ahead and just grab that and then try to mimic however long that is. We'll see. All right, so I went ahead and already torqued the other bolts down. Pretty much I try to mimic this. This is about 3 threads going up, or like 1, 2, and the top one is 3, is what I counted. So I try to mimic those on the rest, and I went to go turn them. This one right here that's torqued down, and it feels the exact same. So go ahead and move on to the passenger side. Alright, y'all, for the next step now, here's the actual strut bar. Beautiful red. What we're gonna have to do here is pretty much, so I'm trying to get this in frame without touching on the ground. Just take it off, pretty much take off all the hardware and everything, so you can slip it through the safe spot. And so the way that it mounts on and everything is you can twist this all you want. Sorry, go that way. And then whenever it's like done, all you have to do is get this a wrench for this, tighten it down, and then yeah, so it should be installed like just like that. I think from this end of thread to this end of thread, it should be around 14 millimeters on both sides to make it even. So let's go ahead, pop this on the car and see what it's like. Looks like with the strut bar installed. Preferably, if I could, I would probably make it to where the logo goes down, but then that's not how it would work. But now you gotta do is tighten this down. It's pretty much the nut that holds it down right here, the 17 millimeter. Yep. And then this is a 3/8, and then the back of it is a 14 millimeter ratchet. So let me go ahead and just tighten these all down and show you all the road. All right, y'all, this should be the end of the install right here. It looks great. Already went down, make sure all the nuts and everything were tightened down. Pretty much what a lot of people say is when you're done, shake this, make sure nothing's hit on anything, and then shake the actual car. I'm shaking it and it's fine. So that should be the end of today's install. And I think it looks great. Definitely goes in the whole red and black theme I'm going for, especially whenever I get these yellow ones, all these caps and everything out to the Billet Works red. It's gonna look great. And then, you know, carbon fiber pieces here and there look amazing. And yeah, that is pretty much gonna be the end of today's video. Really hope y'all enjoy. I know one of the clips cut out, and you know, it probably sucks, but really simple. Just put the bolts in and everything. I had to change the shirt because it's so hot outside. I think it's like 110 right now in Texas. No, they're not 110, maybe like 106 or something. But it's hot. I had to change the shirt because I was getting sweaty, and I had to park the car in the shade, just like that. Because before it was like all the way out there. My phone overheated because of that. But be sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those bell notifications. Y'all get posted whenever I post.